Welcome to sureshbhattclasses. We are going to cover quantitative aptitude topic of problems on age. This topic does not have any specific formula and the questions of this topic are mainly based on concept of ratio and proportion, percent and average. Therefore, we are solving the questions directly. In this video, we are taking up the questions based on average. We go to the questions. Our question is, the average age of A and B is 18 years. B and C is 20 years. And A, B and C is 21 years. Find the age difference of B and C after 6 years. The given options are option A 15, option B 14, option C 8, option D 13. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. It is given that the average age of A and B is 18 years, B and C is 20 years, and A, B and C is 21 years. So we solve like this. The average age of A, B and C is 21 years. Therefore, their total age will be 21 multiplied by 3, which is 63 years. Now I give the equation number 1 to this sum. And average age of A and B given to us is 18 years. So the total age of A and B is 18 multiplied by 2 is 36 years. And this is our equation number 2. And the average age of B and C is 20 years. Therefore, the total age of B and C is equal to 20 times 2 is 40 years. And I give this as equation number 3. Now, if we subtract the age of A and B from the age of A, B and C, we get the age of C. So, equation number 1 minus equation number 2 gives us age of C is equal to 63 minus 36 is 27 years. And if we subtract age of B and C from the age of A, B and C, we get the age of A, and this we can get from subtracting equation number 3 from equation number 1. So I write 1 minus 3, and this gives us A equal to 63 minus 40 is 23. Now we know the age of A. We can get the age of B from equation number 2. So B is equal to 36 minus 23, that is A plus B is 36 and A is 23. Therefore, B is equal to 13 years. To find the difference of age between B and C. So C is 27 and B is 13. Therefore, the age of C minus age of B is equal to 27 minus 13 equal to 14 years. This way we can easily find the difference of the age of B and C. The age difference between two persons remains constant. So the age difference of B and C, which is 14 years, will be the same even after 6 years as asked in the question. To explain this, if I am 4 years older than my brother, I will continue to be 4 years older for all the years to come. And from the given options, our answer is option B. We go to the next question. Our question is, the average age of father, mother and son is 23 years. 6 years ago, the average age of father and mother was 26 years. What is the age difference of mother and son if father is 4 years older than mother? The given options are option A 25, option B 28, option C 30, option D 22. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. I write F for father, M for mother, and S for son. The average age of these three is 23 years. So I multiply 3 to 23 and we get 69 years. Thus the sum of the age of father, mother and son is 69 years. This is the present age. Now 6 years ago, the age of father and mother was 26 years. So this is 26 multiplied by 2 is 52 years. That is the sum of the age of father and mother 6 years ago was 52. Then we can find the present age. So we add 6 to the age of father plus 6 to the age of mother. This is equal to 12 years. And if we add 12 to 52, we get 64. That is the present age of father and mother is 64 years. Therefore, age of son is 69 minus 64 equal to 5 years, because the sum of the age of father, mother and son is 69, and if we subtract age of father and mother, which is 64, then we get 69 minus 64 equal to 5 years. This is the age of son. Now it is given that father is 4 years older than mother. So we take out 4 from 64 and we get 60. And 60 when divided into two parts is 30 and 30. And we add this 4 year to the age of father. So father is 34 and mother is 30. So difference of age between mother and son is 30 minus 5. Age of mother is 30 and age of son is 5. This comes out to be 25. Thus the age difference between mother and son is 25 years. It was that easy question. And from the given options, our answer is option A, 25 years. We go to the next question. Our question is, the average age of 4 persons is 18 years. After 2 years, one child joins them. If the average age remains the same, find the age of the child. Option A 10, option B 12, option C 8, option D 6. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. We can solve this question orally. It's very easy question. The average age of 4 persons is 18 years. It means the total age of 4 persons is 18 times 4, which is 72. After 2 years, one child joins them. So they become now 5 persons. And average age remains the same. It means the total age of 4 persons plus one child is 90 years. So what is the present age of those 5 persons? 2 years is the gap between the previous age and the present age. So 2 years for 5 persons is 10 years. If we subtract 10 from 90, the age of 5 persons comes out to be 80. And in this 80, the 4 persons and one child are there. Earlier, the age of 4 persons was 72. And after that child, the present age comes out to be 80. 80 minus 72 is 8 years. Thus, our answer is option C. This way we can solve this question without pen and paper and reach to the answer very fast. Now I write all the steps which I have narrated while solving orally. The present age is 18 multiplied by 4 of 4 persons. The total comes out to be 72 years. After 2 years, 18 multiplied by 5 is 90 years. So what is the present age of those 5 persons? Is 2 multiplied by 5 equal to 10 years. And if we subtract 10 from 90, we get the present age of all those 5 persons is 80. So the present age of child is 80 minus the age of other 4 persons equal to, which is 72. 80 minus 72 equal to 8 years. That is the present age of the child. And from the given options, our answer is option C. Hope you have understood the solution. We go to the next question. Our question is, at the time of my marriage, the average age of me and my parents was 45 years. After 8 years of my marriage, I have 4 years old son. The present average age of my family is 39 years. Find the age of my wife at the time of our marriage. The given options are option A 24, option B 25, option C 27, option D 22. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. Father, mother, son is present age 45 multiplied by 3 is 135. Now wife adds to this 135, and if the present age of wife is x, then this will become 135 plus x. That is the age of wife at the time of marriage is x. After 8 years, the total number of persons are these 4: mother, father, son and wife of son and a kid. So there are 4 persons plus 1 person is kid. So total 5 persons and their average age is 39. So the total age is 39 multiplied by 5 is 195. Now if we add 8 times 4, that is the future age of father, mother, son and son's wife, then it comes out to be 135 plus x plus 32. And now the age of kid, grandkid is 4 years, and this all equal to 195. So on solving we get value of x equal to 135 plus 32 plus 4, that is 32 plus 4 is 36 and 135 is 171. 195 minus 171 is 24 years. Thus the age of the wife of the son was 24 years at the time of marriage. And from the given options, our answer is option A. We go to the next question. The ratio of age of father and mother at the time of marriage was 5:4. 2 years after, a son was born, and after another 2 years, a daughter was born. The average age of family is now 19 years, and the age of son is 5 years. Find the present age of father. The given options are option A 37, option B 30, option C 32, option D 36. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. The four persons in the family are father, mother, son and daughter. The present age of son is 5 years and he was born 2 years after the marriage. So the total time from the present time is 7 years when the marriage took place. So the present age of father and mother, the ratio given to us is 5:4. So I write it as 5x plus 7 and mother's age is 4x plus 7 and the daughter is 2 years younger to son. So the daughter's age is 3 years. These are the present ages of father, mother, son and daughter. And it is given that the average age of all these is 19 years. So 19 multiplied by 4 comes out to be 76 years. So we add all these and equate to 76 years. This is 5x plus 7 plus 4x plus 7 plus 5 plus 3 equal to 76. Now we solve this. This comes out to be 9x equal to 76 minus 7 plus 7 is 14 plus 8 is 22. So it is 76 minus 22 is 54. Therefore x equal to 54 divided by 9 is 6. So father's age is, present age is 5x plus 7 and 5 multiplied by 6 is 30 plus 7 is 37. This way we can solve this question very easily. And from the given options, our answer is option A, 37 years. I hope you have understood the method of solving it. Our question is, the age difference of Alex and Bob is same as the age difference of Bob and Krish if the average age of Alex and Krish after 4 years will be 34 years. What is the age of Bob? The given options are option A 30, option B 32, option C 28, option D 35. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. This is very easy question. You can solve it orally within 30 seconds. The average age of Alex and Krish after 4 years will be 34. So 2 times of 34 will be the sum of their ages after 4 years. 34 times 2 is 68. And this is the age after 4 years of Alex and Krish. So if we subtract 4 for Alex and 4 for Krish, the present age of Alex plus Krish is 60. 68 minus 8 is 60. And from the first condition, the age difference between Alex and Bob and Krish is same. Therefore, the age of Alex plus Krish is twice the age of Bob and twice the age of Bob is equal to 60. Therefore, the age of Bob is 60 divided by 2, which is 30 years. And from the given options, our option A is our answer. This way you can solve it very fast in 30 seconds. Now I write all the steps which I narrated orally so that you can understand it properly. A minus B is Alex minus Bob is equal to B minus C, which is Bob minus Krish. So this gives A plus C equal to 2B. That is, if we transfer minus B towards right, then it becomes plus B, and B plus B is 2B. And if we transfer minus C towards left, So this becomes A plus C. Now A plus 4 is the 4 years after the present age of Alex, plus C plus 4 is the 4 years after the present age of Krish, is 34 multiplied by 2, because the average age of these two is 34. This gives A plus C equal to 68 minus 8, and A plus C is 60. And if we put the value of A plus C here, so we get 60 equal to 2B, therefore B equal to 30. It was that easy question. Thus the age of Bob is 30 years, and from the given options our answer is option A. We go to the next question. Our question is, the average age of 400 employees in a factory is 32 years. The average age of males is 35 years and females is 30 years. Find the number of female employees. The given options are option A 160, option B 240, option C 200, option D 280. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. The total number of male and female in the factory is 400. So I write F for female and M for male equal to 400. And next is the average age of male is 35 and average age of female is 30. So 30 times F is the total age of all the females in the factory, plus 35 times males is 400 multiplied by 32. This is the average age of all the employees. Now we have to eliminate males to find the age of females from these two equations. So for eliminating male, we have to multiply by 35 the first equation. So our equation becomes 35 female plus 35 male equal to 400 multiplied by 35. If we subtract the first equation 30 female plus 35 male from the second equation, we get 5 female equal to 400 multiplied by 35 minus 32. We take 400 common from 400 multiplied by 35 and 400 multiplied by 32. So this 5 cancels 400 for 80 times. The number of female comes out to be 35 minus 32 is 3, and 80 multiplied by 3 equal to 240. Thus the number of females in the factory was 240 females. And from the given options, our answer is option B, 240. This questions we have solved using the simultaneous equation in two variables. But we can solve this question very easily within less than 1 minute by shortcut method. So I solve it by shortcut method. We write M for male and F for female. The average age of male is 35 years and average age of female is 30 years. And the total average of all the employees is 32 years. So if we subtract 32 from 35, we get 3. And if we subtract 30 from 32, we get 2. And from here we get male ratio female is 2:3. So 2 plus 3 is 5 and 400 divided by 5 is 80. So 80 times 2 is 160 is the number of male, and 80 times 3 is 240 is the number of females. This way we can get the number of male and number of female very easily within 1 minute by this shortcut method of alligation and mixture. I repeat it for your understanding. It is given that the average age of male is 35, so I write 35. Average age of female is 30, so I write 30. And the overall average is 32. We subtract 32 from 35 and we get 3, and 30 from 32 and we get 2. So this gives the ratio of male and female, that is male is 2 and female is 3. Thus male ratio female is 2:3, and if we add this 2 and 3, that comes out to be 5 is the number of male and female in ratio part. So if we divide 400, which is the total number of employee, by 5, we get 80, and 80 times 2 is 160 is the number of male, and 80 times 3 is 240, which is the number of females. This way we can use this shortcut trick to find the number of females in a factory. And from the given options, our answer is option B, 240. Our question is, the average age of A, B and C is 33 years. Age of A is 2/3 of age of B, and age of B is 1/2 or half the age of C. Find the age of B. The given options are option A 45, option B 27, option C 21, option D 54. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. This is a very easy question. The age of A is 2/3 the age of B. It means that the age of A is 2 when the age of B is 3. So this is the ratio of A ratio B comes out to be 2:3. Also, age of B is half the age of C, or 1/2 the age of C. Thus the age of B ratio C is 1:2. That is, when the age of C is 2, age of B is 1. So we have got all the ratios. A ratio B is 2:3 and B ratio C is 1:2. Now to make the ratios equal, what we do? We put 3 in C and 1 in A. That is, the 3 is filled below C and 1 is filled below A. This is the short trick of finding the relation between A ratio B ratio C. So we multiply the numbers. Below A is 2 times 1 is 2, 3 times 1 is 3, and 3 times 2 is 6. So A ratio B ratio C comes out to be 2:3:6. The average age of A, B and C given to us is 33. So the total age is 33 multiplied by 3 equal to 99. And the sum of 2 plus 3 plus 6 is 11. So 99 divided by 11 equal to 9. Thus one part is equal to 9. Therefore 2 part, which is the age of A, is 9 times 2 is 18. Age of B is 9 times 3 is 27. And age of C is 9 times 6 is 54. So we have got all the ages of A, B and C, but we have been asked the age of B, which is 27. And from the given options, our answer is option B. Age of B is 27 years. Here completes this video. Please watch all my videos on the topic of age, as well as all my videos on quantitative aptitude topics. Do lot of practice from different books to become expert in solving questions of quantitative aptitude. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Thanks for watching.